Hey guys, what's up? It's a girl, MC30, and this is my friend
Savannah. It's your girl, back at it with White Vans. Just kidding. Yeah, I'm just kidding.
She also has a YouTube channel just like me, and you know, mine's mostly about vlogs, draws, but this time I'm going to do something different. Slime! Ta-da! So, what's your YouTube channel?
It's Vanixevious. It's about everything. It's not really.
It's
one
just everything,
thing. Yeah.
I guess. It's just everything. And she's going to be my special guest. Whoop! So we're gonna get started, and hope you guys enjoy this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and hit that
Smash
bell.
that like button.
That too. You can do that too. Hit the bell. Do anything you want, but don't unsubscribe or dislike the video. That's good. My main goal is trying to get 100 likes. Start off small, and we'll work our way big. So, wish me luck. We're gonna get started.
Okay.
Hey guys, so first we're gonna start off with a bowl and a spoon. I would make sure you use a plastic bowl and a plastic spoon.
I feel like the talk. The plastic spoon.
The
plastic bowl.
Anyway, and I will also use another plastic. What's it called again?
Bowl.
Yeah, bowl. And
So
we'll use both of those. So the reason we're using two bowls is one for mixing the slime and one putting just separate water and borax and glue. Let's get started. So she's going to pull up a video because we forgot how to make it.
No, it's not a video. It's the instructions.
Please.
You know.
Or
Yeah,
instructions.
okay.
Yeah, whatever.
In a bowl, mix together 1 tablespoon of borax with 1 cup of warm water.
Which is 1 tablespoon, pretty much 1 spoonful.
So which is this?
And a plastic spoon.
Or you can use this one, which is okay.
The same thing. So we got some borax right here. If I can get it open. Alright, we got it open, finally. Oh goodness. Alright, so she's going to take a spoonful. And the borax, just put in your bowl.
So this is a spoon, I guess.
And the borax I used is 20 Mulatine
There's more
borax.
than 1 borax?
Well, yeah, there's a brands. There's different brands.
Okay.
But the brand I used was 20 Mulatine something. And mules. Just say, look for mule and you'll find it.
Meal
And we got 1 big gallon.
of glue.
Woo!
School glue.
And I used half it already. That's shocker. Anyway, so I'm going to grab my spoonful. Dig in there like a nothing, grab it. Oh. Okay, I got it.
You got like more than borax.
Whatever.
Here's our warm water.
Warm water?
Or,
Yes.
well, yeah.
It's water. And then, how much do we need to pour in there?
A cup.
A cup?
A cup.
Okay, pull a cup.
Did you hear it sizz?
I'm not going to put that much in there. I want to put a whole cup. Like, a plastic cup. I want to put a whole cup in there. Probably like, fill it.
Like right where it goes down, right there.
Like pretty much
wait, where it goes
right
down.
here, yeah. And
So-
and just only put like a little bit.
At a time. I think I put
And
too much water.
Are we supposed to mix it?
Yeah.
All right, mix it.
Stir until the borax dissolves and mix into clear. Yeah.
So we'll be right back, guys. See you in a bit. I can just oh dear. Oh, I can just edit this out. So
It's still going.
I know I can just edit it out.
Okay. You can put that in the beginning, like beep.
Bloopers.
Or at the end.
Yeah, we should do bloopers. That'd be awesome.
I can't tell if I have too much water or it's too much fat.
I think I had too much water.
You have too much water.
You just add more water.
You got more than me.
I think we're good. I want to say we're good. I'm gonna say we're good.
I think it's because we need more water. Okay, we're good.
I'm good. Next. Hey guys, we're back.
We're back.
We mixed the water and it doesn't look too well, but we're gonna keep going just for you guys.
Oh, look. It looks like that. So it's kind of like ours.
Yep.
In a separate bowl, mix together 1 cup of Elmer's glue, 1/2 cup of water, and 3.5/4 cups of shaving cream.
You know what I just now realized?
What?
I should go get my measuring cup. We'll be right back, guys. I got the measuring cup.
Sweet. No.
I think we should start over.
Do you want to?
Yeah, might as well.
Okay.
All right, we'll be right back, guys. We're back. All
We
right,
found the 1 tablespoon.
and the cup.
Okay.
All right, so we start with you first, the tablespoon. All right, so she's getting her borax. You can just wash it, you know, like. Thank you, Your Highness. Thank you. You're so nice. Not.
Oh, thanks. I know. Where's the cup at? Is it the cup? I think it is.
See, mine's perfect. Look at this. It's
'Cause
perfect.
you patted it down.
No, I didn't.
Oh, okay. Keep telling yourself that.
At least mine will look better than yours.
1 cup. 1 cup.
1 cup. 1 full cup.
I don't know. It says 1 cup.
All right, just put 1 cup. And we're gonna pour that into the borax.
You hear it? It like sizzles.
She's so fascinated. Even though she knows
See,
that.
we were doing the right.
Even though she did it this. Even though she knows that I did this before.
It sizzles. Now I'm gonna mix it. Oh wait, I'm gonna wait for you.
Oh.
You missed that. Here,
No,
give me
I
some more.
didn't. I didn't miss it. I got it.
Okay,
I didn't miss it. I just.
slopped it down there.
Yeah. I slapped it on there. Like. Oops. Oh.
What did you put?
It's mercury. Why does mine always look yellow? They're probably just the lighting.
Mine isn't yellow.
Oh! Oh. See, look at that!
Because yours is yellow. What is that?
You guys, oh, great.
Okay,
No.
I'm done.
Forget it. I don't care if it's yellow.
Okay.
Oh,
Do you
goodness.
want to do 1 cup of Elmer's? Yeah, 1 cup of Elmer's glue?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right. So 1 cup
Elmer's.
of Elmer's glue. Me first.
Me first?
Me first.
You're so mean. So put this to the side.
Yep.
Oh,
So
okay.
always put this to water and the borax to the side and get your separate bowl with. You put that
over
in
my hair.
with
Because it's
glue.
huge.
And make sure it's actually a full cup. Are you sure it says full cup?
It says 1 cup.
Oh my goodness gracious. This is, oh. There goes 1 full cup. So, I would recommend using your measuring cup for this.
That looks like a lot of glue. I said that wrong.
It's goo.
Goo.
There, keep,
Are we gonna
they
use
keep,
Are we gonna use a separate spoon or anything?
I say we use a separate spoon so you don't have to get water into the glue yet.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna smooth the bowl and so you can see. Yes, goo. Yeah, there we go. Yeah.
Can you not do that?
It's okay. Bloopers. Did I say boopers or bloopers?
Boopers.
I say boopers.
There you go.
Alright.
I got it.
It kind
Now
of,
my
you know
turn.
what this reminds me?
My turn.
Melted marshmallows.
My turn.
This kind of reminds me of melted. Oh my goodness. Oh dear. Here, I got you. I got you. I think we're good. I did good. What the heck?
I was making sure I had the cup. Whee!
It looks. This reminds me of melted marshmallow
It does.
or white chocolate.
What if I missed that?
Oh my goodness, I don't know how, but
I thought I did.
all right.
Yeah.
So we make sure you put your hair in a ponytail. You don't want glue in your hair.
Like
Trust
I
me.
did. No, I'm just kidding.
Or clothes. Don't get it on your clothes. Last time I got on my clothes,
It won't come out.
oh my god, yes, slime would not come on your clothes. Like, no joke. If you did, you will see a spot there. And I'll show you my carpet after the video. What happens? So
Okay,
don't
do
worry
you have
about
the
that.
lid? Now it's like all the way down here.
Don't use your water bourbon. Just
I think we need a half
a half a cup.
a cup. So you might need to get more water.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I just.
Okay, that fits. Ready? Ready?
3, 2, 1, go!
I'm gonna wait for you.
Alright, hold on. I'll be right back, guys.
She's probably gonna be like,
I got the
Ready?
water! Oh, guys. Ow, my toe.
you want me to do yours?
Yeah, go. That looks weird. It's like a big old dot.
Don't move. Go.
I'm in the toilet.
Okay, so
Now what to say?
at 1 point shaving cream. Shaving cream.
1
of
cup.
sha-
1 cup of shaving
4
cream.
cups of shaving cream.
4. No, 2 cups.
I'm gonna just do this.
Here, just make you don't have to use 4 cups, but if you have like a bunch of shaving cream, which we
Yeah,
don't,
use
I think we ran out.
it. That's what you did. Here, let me try.
I got this.
Watch it just work. Did you guys fall over? I'm gonna mix mine.
Oh, I hear some.
Yeah, I just use it, but it's not like coming out.
Oh, there it goes.
Not much.
Not much, but I'm gonna get some.
Here, Lucy.
Nope, hold on. All right, then
I'm
you
gonna
have the
try- I'm
rest.
gonna
Okay, we got some shaving cream in there, so we're just
We
gonna
need
start.
more than that.
Dude, just go on.
Go get some more.
No,
Just a little bit.
no.
Yeah.
No.
Yep.
We can do it in the next video.
What do you mean next video?
Well, not next video, but I mean like next slime we're making. So we're just gonna mix this in. Are you sure we're supposed to mix it together?
Yeah.
Not with the borax?
What if it's just there until it's mixed?
See, this is the part where I don't trust Savannah, where she's skipping a level.
I am not skipping a level. We're only on level 2.
Level 2?
Yep.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Are you sure not level? Skip the level 3? It's still a 2? Stir with the spatula. Alright. Well,
Seems like that's how much shaving cream we should have.
I'll go check if we have some more shaving cream.
Daisy. Hi. Hi, Daisy.
I'm just gonna use shave gel because that's what my dad has. So, alright, I'm just gonna use it. Not much. Alright, so we use some shaving cream. Well, shaving gel. You can use that too.
What? It's turning, it's turning.
It's turning, it's turning, it's turning. All right. I hope you're satisfied. So, Savannah, I got some guest questions.
Hmm.
You ready?
Nope.
No? Okay.
I'm just gonna go.
All right. So what made you want to become a YouTuber?
Well, I saw everyone else doing it. I thought it was fun, and I was like, yo, I should start doing it because, it's fun.
Oh, and go follow her on Instagram.
It is. You
Yeah.
know it.
Link in the bio, and I'll post it right here.
I don't know. Saw everyone else doing it. Thought it was cool. Having people watch me and stuff.
Mhm.
And that started my life.
Mhm.
Any more questions?
Let's ask the viewers if they have any questions in the comment section down below. Please comment a question for Savannah, and I will definitely
I
ask
think
her.
I did too much, please.
Yeah, I think you put a little too much.
How am I supposed to answer?
Like, I'll tell you in the next video, we'll answer those questions.
Oh yeah, and we're gonna do a collab in my video
Oh, yeah, please go follow her.
tomorrow.
Yep. And again, thank you for those people who are subscribing and liking the video. And again, please smash
That like button
Yeah.
and the bell. Don't
and,
forget that one.
yep, ding-a-ling-a-ling.
Where you know every time we post.
Yeah.
And me.
And trust me, my video quality will actually get really better, but right now I don't have the right tools to make the right video, so I'm sorry if the definition is not really.
What you like?
But we're trying our best, and this is what we get for using shaving gel.
It's blue.
It's literally blue. Here, hold on, look at this. Oh! This is what we
I
get,
have more than you.
and this is
Hers.
hers.
Sorry for life.
So,
If
now that
I
we
got
the-
locked away and we lost it.